So you want to make money copying and pasting links. So what is all involved with that, and what is that actually called? Well, that's what's referred to as affiliate marketing. Let me show you. So affiliate marketing is a performance-based strategy where an individual or business, the affiliate, promotes another company's product or services and earns commission for each sale, lead, or specified action generated through their unique tracking link. It works by an affiliate creating an account, driving traffic to a merchant site, which will be mine, and you're giving a special affiliate link and getting paid a prearranged fee. In this case, it would be $200. Usually percentage of the sale or flat rate. When the customer clicks that link, your unique link, and completes the desired action like making a purchase. How affiliate marketing works. Affiliate finds a product, which you don't have to find it, I'm giving it to you, and selects a product or service they enjoy and are willing to promote. That's just very in general. Affiliate joins a program. They sign up as an affiliate marketing program, typically offered by the product's company or network, to receive a unique affiliate link, which I will give you, and I'll show you how. Affiliate creates content. The affiliate uses their platform, such as a blog, social media, or YouTube channel, to create valuable content that includes their unique affiliate link. Customer then clicks the link. Potential customer sees the content, clicks the affiliate link, and is directed to the merchant's website, which I'll show you in a second. Purchase or action is tracked. The merchant system uses cookies or similar technology to track that the customer came from the affiliate's link and credits the affiliate for the resulting action, so that way you get paid. Affiliate earns a commission if the customer makes qualifying purchase or completes desired action. The affiliate receives a commission, which can be a percentage of the sale, fixed amount. I already told you it's going to be a fixed amount. Well, it's 20%, which comes out to be roughly $200. So we say 200, might be 197, but that's per conversion, just to keep the math simple. So let's go back here. So this is one of my videos here, and in this part here was through a link, and this is what you're actually going to be promoting. It's a $997 course teaching people how to create a DoorDash restaurant, and for a limited time, the people who enroll in that course, which is going to be the people you're marketing to, are going to be eligible for a $5,000 giveaway, and that's only until January of 2026. So, and there's a total of 10 students allowed. I believe there's 9 slots open left, and once those slots are taken, then the contest will be over, and 1 out of the 10 who bought this course, $997, will get the $5,000. So you guys can also purchase that course if you want to. I mean, if you want to learn how to run your own DoorDash restaurant from home and you want a really good chance of winning $5,000, 1 out of 10, then you're more than welcome to do so. But otherwise, that's going to be the course that you're promoting, and I'm going to show you how to get to that. So you go scroll down a little bit on my video. Let's see here. Okay, so I put the link to the school. It's called mi5university.teachable.com, and I also pinned it on the top comment on this video. But I'm going to do the same thing when I finish creating this video I'm showing you guys right now. It's going to be in the video description section, and I'll pin it in the top comment as well. And when you go to that, this is where it's going to take you. So it's going to take you straight to my school here, and so far I have 2 courses. The one that you're going to be promoting is this. You're not going to mess with that unless you want to buy that. The one you want to click on and enroll in is going to be this one here. This is the Mi5 DoorDash Restaurant Affiliate course. So let's click on that real quick, and you're just going to click on this button right here. Okay, when you click on that, you're going to get to this section. It says this paid course will teach you everything you need to become part of the MI5 Army affiliate program. I will show you how to earn $200 per course sign up, how to promote and market my course links, and create consistent income. Now, a lot of companies will not let you be their affiliate unless you are very well qualified to do so. They'll require that you have a large platform or that you have a certain amount of years of affiliate marketing experience. I'm not requiring any of that. The only thing you guys are going to do is just pay the monthly subscription, which is $14.99, which is absolute steal compared to how much money you guys are going to be making. Okay, so let's go. We're going to hit the buy now button. Okay, so that's what you're going to do next. Okay, so some of this page got cut off. Just slightly off to the right here, it tells you the amount due, which I can see it on my screen, but it doesn't show in here. It's $14.99, just like I told you. No hidden fees. So you're just going to fill out all your good information there, and then you're going to, when you get done, you're going to hit the subscribe. After you do that, I'll be notified that you purchased the course. And at that time, I will physically add each and every one of you as you purchase as an affiliate. That's the only way you can get it. Okay, so when I do that, you'll be notified through your email that MI5 University has added you as an affiliate to their program, and you will receive all the information you need from that link. It'll give you your special affiliate link as well, so that link will be specific and unique to you, and that's what you're going to use to copy and paste, like I said, on blogs. If you have Facebook, in the affiliate course, it describes in much more detail of what you guys can do to successfully promote this product. It goes over websites that you should be using, classifieds that you can put on there, and it'll show you how and where to put links and stuff like that. So, and I'll be continuously adding on to the course with updated material as we go along, and you'll receive my continued support as we go. So that's why it's on a monthly basis. So good luck to you guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. Oh, real quick, let's talk about something real quick. So a lot of people ask about the potential of this. So you're making $200 per conversion. That means people who buy through your link actually make the purchase for that DoorDash restaurant course. That's $200 each, right? So if you're able to get, at first, you can start slow and kind of work your way up and kind of learn the ropes a little bit. Watch the videos in the course, and as you go, you can actually start using paid ads and really accelerate this even more. And I'll cover that in there too. But I want to get you guys started. So $200. Let's say you make $200 a month. That's a little extra pocket change, right? Pay, your electric bill or something like that. Maybe your car payment or your insurance. Or if you get good and you start doing this $200 at least once a week, then we're talking $800 a month. Okay, and once you start to get some of the more advanced techniques that I'm going to talk about, you can do it. Let's see. If you could do $200 100 times 3 days a week, that'd be $600 a week, which is pretty good right there. I mean, that's a part-time income. And then you multiply that times the 4 weeks, average in a month, and you're making about $2,400. And later on, it's very, very possible. Let's just say there's 30 days in a month, okay? So if you make 200 times half of the month, 15, that's 3,000 right there in 15 days. If you can do that for 30 days, and you're looking at like $6,000 a month, So you see where I'm going with this. And your earnings are exponential. You can keep going and going and going. One of my mentors, named is Tanner, he was making like, man, some crazy amount. I think he was making like over $300,000 a month at one time. I mean, that guy was really killing it. But like I said, he was using advanced techniques. He was doing paid advertising. He was doing a lot of other stuff. And that he'll actually talk about that in this video as well. He's on there, him and his friend Ryan. Those are the guys who I learned from. So good luck to you. I'm super excited for you guys if you're not already. And go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.